Hey everyone, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on biodiversity, which was prepared by the Disrupt Tutoring team. So let's jump in. The question says, list the main benefits of biodiversity. Okay, so biodiversity has many benefits. So it's not just nature, it actually has benefits. And some of those benefits include things like agricultural benefits, so agriculture, okay, and in agriculture we're talking about things like food production, so your farms, they grow crops, even cattle farming for meat. Those are some of the main benefits that you can get from agriculture. Another benefit of biodiversity, industrial use, so in industries, the use of raw materials, wood, we can use it for firewood, we can use it to build, burn wood for fire, for heat. You can use it to build buildings, a whole bunch of different things. What else do we have? We can also consider medicine. Medicine is another important one. In medicine, we're talking about the fact that many plants can be used for medicinal purposes. Okay, this is also very typical in your local communities. We've also got recreation and ecotourism. So recreation and ecotourism. So landscapes can be really pretty. The wildlife that we find in each of the different habitats form as a tourist attraction to people in the local communities, to people overseas, to everyone within a particular region. Other benefits, we could include just general information. So we can use biodiversity to assist us with our daily lives, and this is typically through a process known as biomimicry, whereby we use nature to assist people in solving problems. And we can also get evolutionary clues from biodiversity. And one final really important benefit is bioremediation. Okay. When we're talking about bioremediation, we are referring to the fact that many plants and bacterial species within the environment actually remove and detoxify a lot of the contaminants from hazardous wastes and polluted waters. But that's not saying that we need to go and pollute everything, because nature will just take care of it, because there are many aspects that it cannot deal with, and if we pollute at an alarming rate, nature will not deal with it, and it'll actually be extremely harmful to the environment. So these are the main benefits, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. And before I go, don't forget, you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just like this. Or for more epic videos, check out our website. Just a quick shout out to our sponsor. You can find all of their details and ours down in the description below. Until next time, stay epic.